This is the APUEC electric high pressure washer. This is what it looks like inside the box. The washer comes unassembled. This yellow piece is the connector that can be connected to the faucet to absorb water, or it can be placed in a bucket or pool to absorb water. I'm just taking out all the pieces here. Here is the instruction manual that goes over how to assemble everything. First, I'm installing the handle. It goes on the top of the washer like so. I just slide it in and then screw it in using the screws and screwdriver provided. Next, I'm installing the hook which goes here on the handle and screwing that in with the screws. I use a total of 4 screws for the hook. This is the left side gun holder which slides on the bottom of the washer like this. This is the right side cable hook and it slides easily onto the bottom like so. This is a high pressure hose. One end goes into the water outlet of the machine. I just twist it in until it's tight. Then the other end goes into the gun. Twist it in like so. This is the trigger. It has a yellow flap here that you can pull out of its place to lock the trigger and prevent the trigger from being pressed. Simply flip it up to unlock it. This is the gun lance. This part goes into the trigger gun. As you can see, the trigger gun has a slot that would perfectly fit the lance. Align the lance, push in, and twist. When you yank on it, it should not come out. The gun lance has a nozzle holder, since this washer does come with 4 different nozzles. Each nozzle shoots out water of different amplitude. The nozzle will go into the top of the gun lance, like so. Here, I'm screwing the inlet connector to the water inlet. This has a filter that filters out sand, limestone, and other impurities. Instead of using the yellow hose provided, I'm screwing my water hose directly into the machine. And that's it. It's ready to be used.